was a game till I made the fucking game now. Got a bag, I don't really need the fame now. They the ones switching, but they saying that I changed now. Blood, sweat, and tears, time to make them understand now. Thought it was a game till I made the fucking game now. Got a bag, I don't really need the fame now. They the ones switching, but they saying that I changed now.
Back over the road. 5 hours up for $500. Yeah, I wasn't too good earlier, so I didn't go in for my contract. I was blessed with this schedule, so let's get it.
30 acres, got the land for it. I ain't hard to social distance at the Clearport. I hear these rappers, they be capping on some real shit. Bring them bitches to the table like I'm Will Smith, explain yourself. I remember back when the label showed me to the show. Now they double back, so I got a text, they need some help. Last week I was on the block. Now she drive the boat, I'm blowing smoke, I'm on the yacht. These days niggas acting crazy, but they not. All that talking like a gun, dog gon' get you. You ain't had shit until you lost it. Pay attention, I can show you where the boss is. I can never lose, even when I take losses. Way too impulsive, it don't matter what it cost you. Thought it was a game till I made the fucking game now. Got a bag, I don't really need the fame now. They the ones switching, but they saying that I changed now. Blood, sweat, and tears, time to make them understand now.
Under an hour away from Philly to Ohio. Yeah, man. I'm starting to get exhausted, ain't hungry. I didn't get that much sleep today. So, as soon as I drop this off, get some food, probably hit up the gym, and work my way back for this last, other half of this 5 hours. So, yeah, man, check it in, support.
Cause I know she gon' let me, she want sex me. Good fella like I'm Pesci. Ball so hard you thought I had an SB. Put me anywhere, I pop out where the checks be. I can never lose, never met her so can check me. Been solid from the
5 hours later, I just got here. About to go to shipping and receiving, knock this off. I'm in Ohio. Hopefully I can get something. If not, then it is what it is. It's part of the business. Looking to get something to eat, because I still haven't eaten yet. And yeah, man. So it's one of those days.
Was a game till I made the fucking game now. Got a bag, I don't really need the fame now. They the ones switching, but they saying that I changed now. Blood, sweat, and tears, time to make them understand now. Thought it was a game till I made the fucking game now. Got a bag, I don't really need the fame now. They the ones switching, but they saying that I changed now. Blood, sweat, and tears, time to make them understand now.
It's been a while since I did one of these. Life of a Don. It's ironic that Life of a Don stands for low. You caught that? Most of y'all probably didn't catch that. But I was supposed to have a shake up today, and I canceled because I had got $2 a mile to knock this joint out. So being as though that I let go of one of my contracts, and we'll get into that. But it's Life of a Don, man. I'm back. You're